are difficult to cook. Are you someone who also thinks that millets are difficult to cook? Well, that's not the case. We just need to know the right way of cooking millets. It's very simple. Before the video ends, you will learn. Wash and soak your millets for 6 to 8 hours. Cook your millets in excess of water. Different millets require different proportions of water. You can cook millets like your usual recipe. For example, if you are making a rice dish, just substitute rice with any of the millets like Kodo millet, Barnyard millet or Little millet. If you are making a roti, then just replace wheat flour with either jawar flour or ragi flour. Use only one millet at a time. Don't mix 2 millets in the same recipe. Use lots of vegetables when you are cooking a millet dish. The easiest way to use millets is to use your everyday usual recipe and replace millets for rice or other grains. You can use millets to make breakfast, salads, main courses to desserts. The possibilities are endless. So remember one thing, the preparation is important more than the cooking. If you do that right, you won't ever say